Oh, hi. I didn't see you. Today, I'm gonna tell you a story about the bird in the bush. This story has a really good moral and hope you enjoy it. Hello, this is Taata Musa from Tales from Uganda. I have a really interesting and good story with a good moral for you today. However, this story is good for the older audience. So if you're under 18, first consult with your parents or guardian before you listen to it or watch it. As usual, I'm gonna first tell the story in Luganda, then I'll translate it in English. Okay? Awo lwatuuka. Edda ennyo waliwo omusajja ng'ayitaayita mu kibira. Yali agenze kusennya nku. Aba ayitaayita n'alengera omukyala omubalagavu. Omukyala yali mubalagavu nnyo nga munyirivu. Omusajja n'ayeewuunya nnyo ky'alabye mu kibira. N'adduka n'atuukira omukyala ono n'atandika okumuwaanawaana. N'amugamba engeri gy'ali amwagalamu. Naye omukyala yalina ebbeere limu. Omukyala n'amugamba, sigaanye onjagadde, naye ndaba ntunuulira nina ebbeere limu. Genda ondeetere ebbeere eryokubiri, onaaba olifunye nja kufumbirwa. Omusajja yadduka zambwa, ezo ziba mbiro. N'adduka n'addayo ewuwe waka. Yali musajja mufumbu ng'alina omukyala ewaka. Bwe yatuuka ewaka, n'agezaako nnyo anyize mukyala we amusaleko ebbeere. Era munnange tirwalwa mukyala we yanyiiga. Omusajja n'alwanaawo n'akisalako mukyala we ebbeere. N'adduka emisindi n'ayitwalira omukyala omubalagavu gwe yalabye mu kibira. Atuuka mu kibira n'ayitaayita omukyala nga tamulabako. N'amagamaga omukyala nga tamulabako. Munnange n'asalawo n'agamba waayo mukyala engeri gy'abuze. Ebbeere lino kandiddize mukyala wange ali ewaka. N'adduka emisinde agenda okutuuka ewaka nga mukyala we aweddemu omusaayi. Engeri yamusalako ebbeere omusaayi gwamuggwamu omukyala ng'afudde. Munnange awo waava olugero olugamba nti binsobedde ewaka ne mu kibira. Olugero luno lutuwa ekyokuyiga nti ekintu ky'olina mu ngalo ze ettaano kisinga ebyo ebingi by'osuubira okufuna by'otanaba kufuna. Nange awo nalabira. Once upon a time, when I was just a little boy, my dad told me a story that I'm gonna tell you. Deep in the jungle, there was a man looking for firewood. While he was looking for firewood, he came across this pretty lady in the forest. The man started flirting with her, telling her how he liked her so much. The woman told the man, "Look at me, I only have one breast. Go and find me the second breast, then I will marry you." Now, this man was a married man and he had a wife back home. He ran so fast back home and he started a fight with his wife. After starting a fight, he chopped off his wife's breast and ran back to the jungle to take to this pretty woman he had met. When he reached the jungle, he called out for this lady and this lady was nowhere to be seen. He looked and looked and the lady had vanished all of a sudden. So he came to his senses. He ran back home to take this breast back to his wife. He reached there when his wife had bled to death. So he had lost the wife and he had lost the pretty lady he had found in the jungle. Now the moral of this story is, a bird in the hand is better than two birds in the bush. As we say in Luganda, nanga awo we nalabira.